Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the Zoom application. So first of all, you have to click your downloaded Zoom application. A window will appear showing you some 4 buttons. If you have to start a new meeting, click on the new meeting icon. A window will appear showing you some important information about your Zoom meeting. First of all, there is the meeting topic. What is the meeting's topic? Host, who is the host of the meeting, that who has conducted the session. And the password. Password is really very important. Both the password and the numeric password, both are very important. Then there is invitation link. This is also very important because this link will be used by other participants to join your meeting. If you have to invite other people to your meeting, then you have to copy this link from here and then paste it somewhere where all the participants are present, and then they will click on it and directly join the Zoom meeting. This is the participant ID, like this ID is given to me, and this ID will be used by other people to join my meeting, this meeting. So both this participant ID, this link and the password is really important in joining a Zoom's meeting. Okay, if we look here, there are some buttons, some very important buttons actually. First of all, this is the mute button. This is used to mute your audio. If you will click on it, a red slash will appear which shows that now your audio is muted and you will not be heard or listened by anyone in the meeting. Right? If you will click again, then your audio will be heard by everyone, and this little green signal shows that my audio is going to the participants. Right? So let's mute it. Okay, then here is start video button. Okay, as it shows that this button shows that your video is not shown to other participants. If you will click on it, then your video will be started and it will be shown to other participants that what you are doing. Your webcam will show your picture in video. Okay, this is the security button. Okay, this is important one. This is the participants button. If you want to see the participants, that who is participating in this meeting, then click on it. This will show you participants. The number of participants will come here. Like if now there is only one participant, and that is me, the host. So it is showing 1. If there will be more participants, then their name and picture will appear here in this white area, and the total number of participants will be here. Then there is a chat button. If you will click on it, then a window will open. From this Zoom group chat, you can chat to anybody in the meeting. Like if you want to send a message hi to everyone, then you will just click hi or write your message and just enter it. Then it will send to everybody in the meeting. But if you want to send a message to a specific person in the meeting, then you will click this small arrow and you can select the person name from here and just type the message here and send it to him. There are few more buttons like share screen and record and end, and I will tell you about these buttons in the next video. Thank you.